Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is search button. So click this is search button, then type. Then select enter your model number of your motherboard H310M S2P 2.0 and then hit enter. Then click on product and otherwise you can click on directly. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11, 7. So select any which is you using, which is you required, but installations process same. Okay, so one by one, first download, after that install audio driver. Scroll down, Realtek SD, download this one driver guys, and click to download. After that scroll down, chipset chipset driver, download this one, Intel NF installer, and click to download. And then Intel management install firmware, this also, just click it. LAN driver, extract Realtek LAN driver. This is LAN for the internet, and this icon. VGA driver, Intel video graphic card, and click to download, and just click to download. So all the downloaded, then open this box which is downloading already. You can see this is icon. So you, when you click on this icon, automatically move on this folder which is the driver where is it is downloading, and it is completed. Then I show you how to install one by one. Now you can see this is all the downloaded driver. So first select one, then extract all, and then same locations, then click on extract. First close all, extract, after that try to install, then select this one, right click, extract all, because sometime in extract and real in raw file is not find some system, so that means you getting some issues. And last one, graphic card. So last five, this is driver and this is extracted, so this is not need, delete it. Okay, so first this driver Realtek, open it, open folder, then find out setup. So this is your setup, just right click to run as administrator. Otherwise if you're 10, so show more and then click on administrator, run as administrator. After that, click on yes. Now you can see this installations window. Now like that, audio driver. Okay, then click next. So it will complete it. You will show yes, you want to restart computer, so select no, I will restart later. Finish, because you have a more driver also required. Okay, come to back. Now this one updated chipset driver. Open this. Then you can see this is setup of chipsets. Always run setup. Okay, right click, run as administrator, otherwise Windows 10. So more, and then click to run as administrator. Click yes. Next, accept, and click on install. Now this is install, and it will complete it, and just close it. Then next, back, then third, open, this is also for chipset, and run as administrator. Click on yes. Oh, this is LAN driver. So it will close automatic, means this is installed. And it will take some time to install, and depend about your system. So it is closed, means install. Now second, open, double click to open. Then right click to run as administrator, show more, and then run as administrator. This asking for administrator rights, so click on yes. So finish it, then back. Okay, so all driver it is installed. Then guys, all completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.